Hey, this is Jody with Admin Remix, and in this article, we're going to talk about how asset tracking can benefit your business. So, we've got 5 ways that asset management software can help your business. We've got a smarter approach to asset management or asset maintenance. Maintaining your equipment becomes an easier task whenever you just know its history. So, if you know how long your asset has been at your facility, um, whenever the last time that it's been updated, the last time that maintenance work has been done on it, any repairs that needs to be done, the more you know about it, the easier it is to take care of it and have a repair um, kind of tracking on it. With IT software, you know the data at hand, and it can also be automated with reminders for routine repairs. It causes fewer unexpected problems and less downtime for your assets. Improved efficiency, valuable insight into the performance of your business's physical spaces, including office, warehouse, and storage. You can anticipate your assets' needs before it's necessary. For example, any equipment, maintenance, software upgrades, etc. Lower administrative cost. Asset tracking eliminates the need for any manual tracking of your assets. You can reduce any human error. They don't need to go looking around for things. They don't need to write down things with paper and pen. You can just have it all fixed on a computer in one nice little central compartment. This frees up employees to focus on a revenue generated responsibility. And Admin Remix has a return on investment calculator for you to check out. And in our article, we do have a click link that'll automatically send you there. Improved accuracy. You can cut out all the guesswork of whether or not your assets are being used. Our asset tracking helps you understand where your assets are, how they're being utilized, and also what actions you can use to take place to keep your assets in play at all time. Lastly, optimize your equipment purchasing. Track your assets through their life cycle to make sure that you make smarter decisions on whether you can repair or replace your equipment. Consider the asset's repair history to decide if it's worth the repair of the asset or if the asset should just be totaled. You can look at the cost of repair for the same type of product and see, depending on the life cycle of that specific product or that specific asset, if it's worth the repair cost or if you should just total the product and purchase a new one. We also, in our article, have what a life cycle is and how to determine a life cycle of a product. You can find the right asset management software if you want to reach out to info@adminremix.com, and you can talk to someone in our staff and get some help on your asset remix. So we want to thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.